Hello, this is the Blonde Analyst, and today we will be going over another SOA problem. In this problem, it states an actuary studying the insurance preferences of automobile owners make the following conclusions. And let's try to simplify it here on the right-hand side. So one states an automobile owner is twice as likely to purchase collision coverage as disability coverage. So let's have one here. And so twice as likely means that the probability of collision is 2 probability of disability. Let's have 1, 2, and 3. 2. The event that an automobile owner purchased collision coverage is independent of the event that he or she purchases disability coverage. So that just means probability of C. This is just the definition of independence right here. I put these next to each other just to this is the same thing as C intersection D. I just like putting it this way just to simplify it a little more. And 3 states the probability that an automobile owner purchases both collision and disability coverage is 0.15. So probability of CD is equal to 0.15. What's the probability that an automobile owner purchased neither collision nor disability? So we're trying to find that right there. Or if we were to put it in a Venn diagram format, this is our universe, it would be this area right here. With this being C, this being D, and this being CD. So let's try to use our little formulas up here to try to find that out. So we know we could plug in 3 into here. So 0.15 is equal to probability of C times probability of D. And then we could plug in this formula right here into right here. So we could do 0.15 is equal to 2 PD times PD. And that's the same thing as 2 times PD squared. Divide 2 on both sides. So we get 0.075. And we solve for PD. So we just square root both sides. And we get that PD is equal to about 0.2738. And then we could use this in our formula up here. So our PC is equal to 2 times 0.2738. So it's equal to 0.5477. So we have our PD, and we have our PC. So we're trying to find this area right here. So we are taking out the union of both of these. So P, C, D, the complement of that, is equal to 1 minus the union of CD. And based off the definition of a union, we could plug in, it would be our PC plus PD, probability of D, minus the intersection, because we don't want to double count it. So that is equal to 0.5477 plus our PD, which is 2738, minus our intersection, which was up here, which is 0.15. And that is equal to 0.3284, which is our answer B.